Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. In this short video, I'm going to show you some highlights from the motors training we did at the Harris Hill Raceway located in San Marcos, Texas. So hang tight. Now, the first thing I want to do is give a big thumbs up to the owner of the Texas Motorcycle Academy for being part of this training and allowing us to use this awesome facility. Now, the Harris Hill Raceway is a 1.82 mile, 11 turn road course. The course is 36 feet wide with over 150 feet of elevation changes with some off-camber turns. For us to have a real track to train on to improve our skills is priceless. So I want to give a shout out and say thank you. Now, this was 8 hours of training where we worked on curb negotiation and collision avoidance. Now, as motor officers, we usually don't get this type of training unless you work on it on your own. The training consisted of braking in the curve, swerving, and curb negotiation. Now, the entry speed for the first curve you're going to see was 35 miles per hour, and the second curve was 80 miles per hour. Now, I personally work on braking in the curve, but I have never done it at 80 miles per hour. And let me tell you, this was very unnerving. I could feel the back tire moving around due to the weight shifting forward. Now, let me say that learning how the motorcycle responded when emergency braking at 80 miles per hour after coming up out of a lean gives me the confidence to know that I can pull this off no matter what speed I'm riding. Now, there was also a chicane that we went through at about 50 miles per hour, which worked on our swerving technique. Now, for the curb negotiation part of the training, we worked on the clip point or the apex, the exit points, body positioning, head and eyes, and using the front brake or the trail braking technique. Now, the purpose of this video isn't to have you practice braking in a curve at 80 miles per hour, but I want to give you some insight to some of the training that we do. Now, I have the camera mounted on the front of the motorcycle, so there may be a little bit of wind noise during some of the video, but it shouldn't be that bad. I really want to leave the audio so you can hear the sounds of the motorcycle. So let's go check out this training. Now again, I really want to put together this video to highlight some of our training and to show that even motor officers work on being better, safer riders. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.